In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can FaceTime or do a video call here on Instagram. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But obviously, if you want to FaceTime or video call someone here on Instagram, first go ahead and open up Instagram on whatever your device is, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. And what you're going to want to do is actually click on the home thing down at the bottom and then select the little messenger icon up at the very top to pull up your DMs. From here, you can either create a new chat, or if you would like, go into a previous DM with someone. In this case, we're going to go into a previous DM. And as you can see up in the very top right, you're going to see a bunch of different options, a call icon, a little like video camera icon, and then a shopping icon as well. Go ahead and select the little video camera icon just like so, and it's going to begin calling them on FaceTime. Now, the best part about this is it doesn't matter which device the person you're trying to call is on. It doesn't matter if they're iPhone or Android. It's going to work no matter what. So essentially, this is going to allow you to FaceTime people, say that like aren't on the exact same device as you, and that's pretty cool. That's exactly how you can FaceTime here on Instagram. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.